Have you ever wondered if the quiet love stories are the ones that actually last? I used to think romance had to be fireworks, grand gestures, someone shouting from rooftops. But what if the soft ones, the ones that feel like warm socks on a rainy night, are the real keepers? This happened last fall when I was happily single, finally enjoying my own company, my own couch, my own rules. Then, one ordinary Thursday, I matched with Ben on Hinge. Nothing dramatic. His first photo was him holding a very confused golden retriever. Prompt said, "Looking for someone who doesn't mind dog hair on everything." I sent the first message. "My couch is already 60% cat hair, so I think we're compatible." He replied in 2 minutes with a laughing emoji and challenge accepted. And just like that, we started talking. But tell me, darling, when was the last time a conversation felt like slipping into your favorite sweater? We texted for 4 days straight. Nothing wild. He sent me a photo of his coffee every morning. I sent him pictures of my cat in ridiculous outfits. He asked what I was cooking. I admitted, pasta again because adulting is hard. He said, "Same, but mine has frozen peas from 2022. We laughed about expired vegetables like they were the funniest thing in the world. Is that when you know? When do the silly little things feel like the best part of your day? The first date was coffee on a rainy Saturday. I showed up in my oversized cream sweater, messy bun, and zero makeup. He was already there, wearing the same hoodie from his photos, holding 2 takeaway cups. He handed me one and said, "Oat-milk latte, 2 pumps vanilla just in case." I'm not even picky, but the fact he remembered from one random text 2 days earlier made my stomach do a tiny, quiet flip. Have you ever had someone remember the smallest detail and suddenly the whole world felt softer? We walked around the park for 2 hours. Talked about childhood cereals, worst haircuts, and how we both secretly love grocery shopping at 10 p.m. when it's quiet. No intense eye contact, no grand declarations. Just 2 people in cozy sweaters sharing an umbrella, laughing at how our pets would probably hate each other. When did simple start to feel like something special? The second date was at his place. He cooked boxed mac and cheese with extra breadcrumbs because it's basically gourmet. We ate on the couch watching The Office, his dog asleep on my lap within 10 minutes. At one point, he paused the show, looked at me very seriously, and said, "I have to tell you something important." My heart skipped. Then he whispered, "I put the toilet paper roll on backwards and I'm not sorry." I laughed so hard I almost cried. Tell me, when was the last time someone made you laugh until your soul felt lighter? Third date, we just went to Target, literally, walked every aisle, bought candles we didn't need, and argued playfully over which throw blanket was softer. He carried the basket the whole time without asking. When we got to the car, he opened the trunk, then opened my door. Not performative, just quiet and natural. Like that's how he treats people he cares about. Is that the moment you realize chivalry isn't dead? Is it just wearing a hoodie and carrying a basket full of lavender candles? By date 5, we had a routine. Friday nothing nights. Take out his couch, dog on my feet, cat judging us from the armchair. We'd talk until we were yawning, then he'd walk me to my car, kiss my forehead, and text the second I pulled away. "Drive safe. Let me know when you're home." Every single time. When did consistency start to feel sexier than fireworks? One December night, it was pouring. We'd fallen asleep on the couch mid-movie, woke up at 2 a.m., and tangled under the same blanket. He looked at me, hair all messy, voice sleepy soft, and said, "I really like these nothing nights with you." I whispered back, "Me too." Then he pulled me closer, tucked my head under his chin, and we fell back asleep to the sound of rain on the windows. Have you ever felt completely safe in the quiet with someone? We're still together, still doing nothing at night, still buying ridiculous Target candles. His dog now has a bed at my place. My cat pretends to hate him but sleeps on his hoodie when he's gone. Sometimes love isn't the big dramatic plot twist we're all waiting for. Sometimes it's just someone who remembers how you like your coffee, carries the Target basket without asking, and makes the ordinary feel like home. And on nights when the world feels too loud, I remember that the quiet ones might just be the best love stories of all. Sweet dreams, gorgeous. I'll see you in the next confession. Thanks for watching.